Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change.
Good morning everybody, and welcome to the channel, all our lovely people on there. And me and Max are going to take a walk today along the back roads. Max is already tired. I think it's the heat, because it is quite warm here today. We are on our own again because Craig is out working, so it'll be just me again, unless he jumps on later to say a few words, but I don't think so. We just finished, I've just finished cleaning up after breakfast. A nice tidy van. It's not always this tidy, but we're just going to go outside and get ready to go and have our walk. But I'll show you our ponies that we've got on here. Oh, tripping over the cable. I'll see if I can get them to come over. Dazzle! Just let me see, I'll catch you in a bit. And here they come, look. Coming over for a carrot. Bless them. Can we get your carrot? Here you go, look. Dazzle. Misty, you coming? Come on, here he comes. You coming for your carrot? No? He's thinking about it. He's a bit cheeky, is Dazzle. I'm surprised he didn't come the first time when I shouted him, because he's quite greedy. Do you want your carrot? Do you want it? You're going to come and say hi? You're going to come and say hi? Here he is. And there's your carrot. Are you coming, Candy? Come on, quickly. Come on then. And here we go. Here's Candy and Misty. Would you like a carrot? Here you go. Would you like a carrot? Candy? Here you go, Misty. You want a carrot? No, Dazzle. Dazzle! No. Here you go. Come on. No, Dazzle. No, you're a cheeky boy. You're cheeky. You're not having this one. This one's for Candy. No. No, you've had yours. No. You've had yours, you cheeky boy. Well, Candy, come on, sweetie. Come and have your carrot. No, Dazzle. Here you go. No. No. Well, we managed to get Candy hers, but let's see if we can get Misty to have her carrot. I don't think so, because Dazzle will chase her off. Misty, are you coming for your carrot? No, cheeky boy. Stop doing that. Anyway, I don't think he's going to let her have it. You're cheeky. Stop licking my hands. You cheeky boy. Anyway, I'm going to go for my walk, so I'll catch you in a bit. Bye. So me and Max have decided to do this long walk. It's quite warm today. We've done this quite a few times. Max is saying hello. So it's quite a long hill, and we've done it the other way around this time, because the last time we did it we came down. It's it's more intense walking up, and but we've got some nice scenery around us. Let me have a look. Yeah, we've got all sheep in the distance, and this is the hill we're going up. He gets Max out for his walk, and me out as well. Get ready for when we go to Europe, and we'll be doing that the 1st of May. So we'll be going down to France, and maybe we're thinking this time to go past Spain to go to Portugal. We're not sure yet. It's not set in stone because, you know, me and Craig just like to just go with the flow. So you'll be able to catch us on some of our journeys when we go down there. At the minute we're prepping Ronnie ready for his off. I ordered the critter stickers yesterday, and I ordered the Angles Morts and the UK badge, because bearing in mind Ronnie hasn't been there before, so he doesn't have a metal body, so we have to get the stick-on ones, whereas the Pilot had a metal bonnet, so it's a bit different this time, and it'll be different going in an A-class. So, but we will show you our adventures and what we get up to. I'm sure it won't be boring. So we'll go from there, and we'll continue to do some vlogs until we do go. But it's all exciting. I'm excited. I can't wait to get down there. Maxie's got his AHC ready to collect. We're collecting that on the 28th of April, and he's all sorted. So we got that from Abbywell Vets in Folkestone. So it's quite cheap. It's £99 for your first pet, and then if you have more than 2 dogs, the price obviously goes down. But we've used them before and they're absolutely fantastic. I was hoping today that we'd see down this path the bluebells and that, but they don't seem to be out yet. There's lots and lots of daffodils and that, but maybe it's a little bit too early for them. Got a little stream going on down there. There's Maxie boy. You tired, mate? We've not seen any horses yet, have we? Have we seen any horses? We've not seen any. Maybe further up we might see some. But it's a lovely country lane, and we bet this backs on to where we are, backs on to the campsite that's our base. So it's like doing a full circle. You can see in the distance, but there's Ronnie, and that's where we're parked up, and that's the back of the stables. I think Max is getting tired now. Are you getting tired, Max? So we've made it to the top, and I think it took us about just over 45 minutes. That's good going for me and Max, really, to be fair, because since I damaged my foot when the horse stood on it, I've been finding it difficult to walk. So everything takes me a little bit longer. I don't know if you can see what we can see from here. Come here. Just bind it in a bit. But up here, it looks so near. And that is Snowdonia Mountains. Absolutely stunning. And you can see them so clear because the weather is beautiful. But this is the view you get from the motorhome. Absolutely stunning. Look at the mountains. And now this is the road. I've got to walk back to the campsite. So I did eventually find some sheep, and there we go. We've got a nice beautiful house in the distance. And then, see what you're doing? You're looking outside. It's nice, isn't it? So I've just come back, like I said, from my walk out, and I just got back in time because these arrived today. Wow, I've just finished my brew and had a sandwich, and yeah, the Angles Morts stickers have come, and the UK badge. It's really exciting now because it feels like it's getting nearer and things are happening quick, and I'm so excited. I just can't wait to go travelling. So I think as well, our little boy, yeah, he's tired, aren't you, mate? He's done really well, bless him. Look at my shoes in the way. Let me get my shoes on. Yeah, so we're going to clean all this mess up. Not mess really, so we're just going to clean it up, wash the cups and that, and then me and Max are going to enjoy the sunshine. But you can't beat it, you can't beat it. So you can see Ronnie in the background. In the distance you can just see the mountains, Snowdonia Mountains, from the campsite. And this is the view. And we've got lots. Lovely view here. Here's Ronnie, parked up in his shining glory. Beautiful boss. So yeah, I will leave that one here. Catch you later.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change.